See if there's any damage done to the mill. Let's see. Anything? You see anything, Marty?
Where?
The mill.
Are you filming this?
Yeah.
What?
Anything done? See anything? I don't see anything. Here, come here. Gotta go check if the siding it ripped off. Oh, by the way, this is the aftermath of Hurricane Sandy, Oley, Pennsylvania.
My butt's wet.
Hey, look in there. Yeah, anything? Don't go inside. Don't go inside. Everybody, leave.
What?
No, don't go inside. That's it might cave in. We don't know.
So if it didn't cave in during Hurricane Sandy, I think it was caving right now.
How do you know? Check if there's any siding issues. I don't see anything.
I got a homemade lightsaber. Right here. Look at it. Look at it!
It's not a lightsaber. That's just a
Finish your sentence.
guy. The damage. Oh wait, that's just a delay. Marty, don't jump on the trampoline. Okay, ignore me. It doesn't seem damaged. It has minor issues. Right? It looks mint condition. Not really. Looks like it. Well, obviously got rained on. Okay, let's go check out this fallen tree. The other one up there got uprooted.
Nothing's wrong with the barn.
Oh, dude. Let's go check out this fallen tree.
It's sticking out of the ground. It's trying to save it.
Wow. Wow.
You could live in there. Some small animal could live in there.
Wow.
Wow.
That's pretty.
That's pretty.
Stop. This is what happened last summer in a really bad thunderstorm. It chipped off right there, and there's a big limb at the very end. It just chipped off. Wow. Those are the the remains. Marines.
January, February,
But
March,
wow, that.
May, June,
Let's go up, Mar. Let's go up the road.
September, October, November, December. Woo! 1 second. Silence, 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 silence.
That's the tree that uprooted.
There's a hole.
Yeah. It uprooted. That tree lost like 10% of the top of it.
It's Halloween today! We know that! We weren't asking you!
Check that out. That's creepy. This is the aftermath of Hurricane Sandy, as I said previously. And it was like we were on the edge of the storm. Marty, sit. Stand to the side. Marty, get to the side. Wow. These are one pine.
He's growing fungus. Red fungus.
That's cool.
It's ugly.
Chip that, and then that's what happened. We were about to get we were on the edge of the store, and we didn't get the worst of it. Ellie, you find anything?
I found Ellie! It's a clue!
What part?
Very funny. It wasn't supposed to be funny.
Oh, I see it. Marty.
Don't do that.
Is it peeled off? Marty, yeah, do something.
See a lot of branches on the roof.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Your friend.
Who was it?
His name is Jeff.
Oh, really?
No, I'm just kidding.
What? Is Hurricane Jeff?
That would be really cool.
Watch out! I see branches on the
You
roof,
can see, like
small branches. Yeah. Like on the front.
Who names
a Hurricane Jeff?
Watch out, it's
Jeff.
I don't know. No damage to the other side of the road. In the fields. Man. Marty. You didn't take your medication today, did you?
Wait, you want me to just get the branch?
Doggies.
Did you notice that part of the house that the roof part is on the wires?
That's actually sticking out of the mill. That's the mill roof.
Oh.
Oh!
Marty.
What?
Mom, do you want me to get just the branches
Make
and
a
tie
film.
them first?
I am making a film.
Next time you're going to be able to get the whole house. You know what I mean?
Okay.
In the picture, you show the branch.
Make a film for Hurricane Jeff.
His full name is Jeffrey the Third.
Jefferson Jeff.
Jefferson Jeffrey the Third. No.
Okay. Get out of the picture, Marty.
Okay. What?
Stop!
So it got like
Interception. Stop.
starting to rain.
No interception.
I can be the roof.
No, don't.
Starting to rain. Oh.
Marty, get out of the
The
picture.
roof is a triangle. It's common
No, it
sense.
isn't.
It's
a
actually-
trapezoid.
That's what I was gonna say.
Oh yeah, sure you were,
Yeah. Huh?
Mr. I'm in Hurricane Jeff.
There we go.
No, that was my friend's name.
Hurricane
Was.
Eloise.
Yeah. This is. Are those electrical wires supposed to be dangling like that?
I'm a dangler.
Oh my God. Woo! Someone had a tasty cake and didn't share with us.
Mom. Yeah. We don't really care. You can buy one of those for like
You
$2.
don't have any gum.
Oops.
Oh no.
It's my fault.
Good, let's go. Let's go down.
Mom.
Check out the pool area.
Mom.
Check out the carriage house.
Ice cream.